In the world of artificial intelligence, big numbers are becoming common, but this one stands out. The AI company Anthropic has just secured an incredible $30 billion in new funding. This is not just a small investment, it is a massive vote of confidence from some of the biggest names in technology and finance. The funding round was led by major players like GIC and Claude. Other notable investors included Microsoft, Nvidia, and Sequoia. This influx of cash is one of the largest private funding rounds the tech industry has ever seen. It sends a clear signal about Anthropic's perceived power and potential. This new money has pushed Anthropic's total value to an astonishing $380 billion. To put that in perspective, the company's valuation has nearly doubled in less than a year. This kind of explosive growth is rare, even in the fast-paced tech sector. The new valuation reflects intense excitement around generative AI. This is the technology that powers chatbots and other creative tools. Anthropic is now firmly positioned as a top contender in the AI race. It stands alongside giants like OpenAI and Google, ready to compete for the future of this transformative technology. So, what will Anthropic do with all this money? The company has a clear plan. A large portion of the funds will go toward fundamental research. This is the work needed to build the next generation of powerful AI models. Anthropic also needs to expand its infrastructure. This means buying more computer chips and building larger data centers. The demand for its AI services is growing quickly. The company must scale up to meet this demand. This strategic spending is designed to keep Anthropic at the cutting edge and accelerate its growth. The sheer size of this deal captures the current moment in AI. It is a moment of high stakes and even higher expectations. Companies are racing to develop the most capable and intelligent systems. Investors are betting billions of dollars on who they think will win. Anthropic's massive fundraising shows that many believe it has a real shot at leading the pack. This investment is not just about money. It is about securing a place at the very top of a new technological revolution that is reshaping our world. A major reason for Anthropic's incredible success is its focus on business customers. The company has seen a huge surge in demand from large corporations. Its main AI platform, called Claude, is being adopted by some of the world's biggest companies. In fact, 8 of the 10 largest companies in the Fortune 10 now use Anthropic's technology. This is a powerful endorsement. It shows that Claude is not just an experiment. It is a practical tool that provides real value to businesses, helping them improve their operations, serve their customers better, and innovate faster. Another key driver is a specialized tool called Claude Code. This product was launched to the public in May of 2025. It is designed to help developers write computer code more efficiently using AI. Its success has been meteoric. Revenue from Claude Code has more than doubled in 2026. It now brings in over $2.5 billion in annualized revenue for the company. The tool is incredibly popular in the coding community. It now powers a remarkable 4% of all public code contributions on GitHub, a major platform for software developers. This shows how deeply it has been integrated into the daily workflow of programmers. This success in specific areas is reflected in the company's overall financial picture. Anthropic's total annualized revenue has now reached $14 billion. This is a stunning figure, especially when you consider its growth rate. The company's revenue has grown by a factor of 10 in each of the last 3 years. This kind of exponential growth is a clear sign of strong market demand. The number of large customers paying significant amounts for Anthropic's services has also grown sevenfold in just the past year. The strategy of targeting high-value business and developer needs is clearly paying off. The combination of enterprise adoption and a killer coding application has created a powerful growth engine. Anthropic is not just building interesting technology, it is solving specific, valuable problems for paying customers. This focus on practical application is what separates a promising startup from a sustainable business. By proving its worth in the corporate world and the developer community, Anthropic has built a solid foundation for its massive valuation. It has shown investors that its technology can generate significant and rapidly growing revenue streams, making it a powerful force in the AI market. Anthropic's main AI model is named Claude. It is a direct and powerful competitor to other famous AI systems. These include OpenAI's GPT models and Google's Gemini. The company has worked hard to keep Claude at the top of its game. It releases frequent updates that improve its performance. The focus has been on making Claude better at tasks that have clear economic value. This includes complex knowledge work, like analysis and research, and agentic coding, where the AI can write and debug code more autonomously. This strategy ensures Claude remains highly competitive and desirable for serious users. One of Claude's biggest advantages is its wide availability. It is the only top-tier AI model that you can access on all three major cloud platforms. That means businesses can use Claude through Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. This is a huge deal for companies. It gives them the flexibility to use the cloud provider they already trust. It also makes it much easier to integrate Claude into their existing systems and workflows. This multi-cloud presence has been a key factor in driving the widespread adoption of Claude among enterprise customers. The company is not resting on its laurels. Its latest model, named Opus 4.6, is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. This model has set new performance records in tasks related to knowledge work. It shows superior ability in complex problem solving that requires deep understanding and reasoning. By consistently delivering state-of-the-art performance, Anthropic makes sure that Claude is a top choice for anyone who needs the best AI available. This dedication to excellence is a core part of its competitive strategy, keeping it ahead in a crowded field. This combination of performance, accessibility, and strategic focus gives Claude a unique edge. While other models may be more well-known to the general public, Claude has built a strong reputation among businesses and developers. It is seen as a reliable, powerful, and convenient tool for getting real work done. By being available everywhere and performing at the highest level on valuable tasks, Claude has carved out a distinct and defensible position in the competitive AI market. This helps explain why investors are so confident in its future. Anthropic's financial growth is nothing short of remarkable. The company's annualized revenue has now hit $14 billion. This impressive number is the result of a consistent pattern of explosive growth. For the last 3 years in a row, Anthropic's revenue has grown tenfold each year. This growth rate outpaces many of its competitors. It provides strong evidence that the market is hungry for Anthropic's products and services. This ability to quickly scale up its revenue shows that the company has an effective strategy for turning its advanced technology into a successful business. With such strong financial momentum, Anthropic has set a bold goal for its future. The company aims to become profitable, or break even, by the year 2028. This target is significant because it is 2 years ahead of the timeline projected for its main rival, OpenAI. Achieving profitability so quickly after such massive investment would be a major accomplishment. It would prove that Anthropic's business model is not only fast-growing but also sustainable in the long run. This focus on financial discipline makes the company very attractive to investors. The new $30 billion in funding will be used to chase this goal. The money will be strategically invested to build out more products specifically for enterprise customers. Businesses are demanding more sophisticated and customized AI solutions, and Anthropic is listening. The investment will allow the company to improve its existing products, like its AI collaboration tool called Cowork. It will also help Anthropic expand into new industries. The company is actively exploring opportunities in sectors like healthcare and life sciences, where AI can have a profound impact. This forward-looking financial strategy shows that Anthropic is thinking about the long term. The company is not just focused on growth at any cost. It is building a sustainable business with a clear path to profitability. By investing in high-value enterprise products and expanding into new markets, Anthropic is laying the groundwork for continued success. This combination of rapid revenue growth and a disciplined approach to spending is a key reason why the company has earned such a high valuation and the confidence of the investment community. The successful $30 billion funding round is a clear sign of massive investor confidence. The fact that it was led by respected global investment firms like GIC and Coatue speaks volumes. The participation of tech industry titans like Microsoft and Nvidia adds another layer of validation. These companies are not just financial investors, they are deep technology experts. Their investment is a powerful endorsement of Anthropic's technology and its strategic plan. This level of backing gives Anthropic the financial firepower it needs to compete at the highest level of the AI industry. Anthropic has worked hard to build a strong position in the generative AI market. Its strategy has been very focused. First, it targeted large enterprise customers, proving its value in the corporate world. Second, it worked to gain the trust of developers with powerful tools like Claude Code. This two-pronged approach has been highly effective. The company is known for delivering AI solutions that are not only high performance but also safe and scalable. This reputation for reliability has resonated with customers who need technology they can depend on for critical business functions. The company's origin story is also part of its appeal. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by a group of former executives and researchers from OpenAI. They left to create a company with a different philosophy. Their goal was to put AI safety at the center of their work. This focus on responsible and ethical AI development has become a core part of the Anthropic brand. It attracts customers and partners who share these values. To emphasize this, the company even ran Super Bowl ads highlighting its commitment to being an ad-free, privacy-focused service, setting it apart from competitors. This unique positioning as a safety-conscious leader has become a major asset. In a world growing more concerned about the potential downsides of AI, Anthropic offers a reassuring alternative. Investors are not just betting on powerful technology, they are betting on a company that appears to have a more thoughtful and sustainable approach to building it. This blend of technical excellence, strong business traction, and a clear ethical framework makes Anthropic a compelling investment. Even with its sky-high valuation, it's a bet on both performance and principles. Anthropic is not just growing at home, it is actively expanding its presence around the world. A key area of focus for the company is Europe. This expansion is part of a larger plan to make its AI tools available to a global audience. By establishing a stronger operational base in important international markets, Anthropic can better serve local businesses and organizations. This kind of geographic growth is essential for capturing a larger piece of the global AI market. It also helps the company diversify its customer base, making it less reliant on North America. The company is also forming strategic partnerships with governments. It is working with public sector agencies to use its AI assistant, Claude, to improve public services. These collaborations show the potential of Anthropic's technology to create positive change in society. By helping governments become more efficient and effective, Anthropic is opening up new sources of revenue. It is also demonstrating that its AI models are versatile enough to tackle complex real-world problems that go beyond the typical business use case. This builds the company's reputation as a valuable partner for societal progress. At the core of Anthropic's growth strategy are its strong partnerships with major cloud providers. Collaborations with companies like Google and Amazon have been crucial. These partnerships make Claude widely available and easy for millions of potential customers to access. By being featured on platforms like AWS and Google Cloud, Anthropic can use their massive infrastructure and sales channels to scale its own services quickly and efficiently. These alliances are not just a technical convenience, they are a fundamental part of its go-to-market strategy and a key reason for its rapid adoption. These three pillars of expansion, global reach, government collaboration, and cloud partnerships, form a powerful strategy. They allow Anthropic to scale its technology, enter new markets, and diversify its revenue streams. Instead of trying to do everything on its own, the company is smartly leveraging the platforms and relationships of established leaders. This collaborative approach has been instrumental in its rapid ascent. It allows Anthropic to focus on what it does best, building powerful and safe AI models, while its partners help bring that technology to the world. The AI industry is defined by intense competition and very high costs. Anthropic's $30 billion funding round is a perfect example of this reality. It is one of the largest private investments ever made, and it highlights the enormous amount of capital needed to compete at the top. All major players are under constant pressure to innovate and secure huge sums of money to fund their research and development. For instance, reports suggest that Anthropic's rival, OpenAI, is also seeking massive new funding rounds to keep pace. This creates a high-stakes environment where only the best-funded companies can survive. Anthropic's rapid rise and soaring valuation are making waves across the entire tech market. On one hand, it signals the incredible disruptive potential of artificial intelligence. On the other hand, it is causing some anxiety among investors about market stability. The huge amounts of money being spent on AI have recently put downward pressure on the stock prices of tech giants like Alphabet, Meta, and Nvidia. investors are carefully weighing the gigantic costs of AI development against the uncertain future profits. Anthropic's valuation is both a symbol of the industry's great promise and a source of this market nervousness. In this challenging landscape, Anthropic sets itself apart with a clear, multi-part strategy. First, it focuses on delivering best-in-class performance with models like Opus 4.6, ensuring its technology remains state-of-the-art. Second, it addresses the real-world needs of businesses with practical tools like Claude Code and Co-work, which create tangible economic value for its customers. This focus on useful applications helps drive revenue and adoption. It grounds the company's high valuation in real business metrics, not just technological hype. Finally, Anthropic's commitment to safety and its unique multi-cloud strategy provide a strong competitive advantage. Being the only frontier model available on AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure makes it the most flexible and convenient option for many large enterprises. This, combined with its reputation as a trustworthy and responsible AI developer, creates a compelling package. It offers customers a powerful and reliable alternative in a crowded and sometimes chaotic market. This well-rounded approach is key to its ability to thrive amidst the intense competition. From the very beginning, Anthropic has made AI safety a central part of its mission. This focus is a core piece of its company identity and a key way it differs from some competitors. The company was founded by former OpenAI researchers who specifically wanted to prioritize research into making large-scale AI systems safe and predictable. This commitment to responsible development appeals to a growing number of businesses, governments, and users who are worried about the potential risks of increasingly powerful artificial intelligence. It is a brand built on trust. However, the rapid rise in AI company valuations, including Anthropic's jump to $380 billion, has raised eyebrows. Some investors and market analysts worry that the market might be in a bubble. Valuations are growing much faster than revenues for many companies, and the long-term business models are not yet fully proven. The enormous spending required to train and run these AI models has also created financial anxiety. We have seen this pressure affect the stock prices of major tech companies, showing that the market is cautious about the long-term sustainability of the current AI boom. Despite these valid concerns, Anthropic's strategy seems designed to manage these risks effectively. By focusing on enterprise customers who pay for its services, the company is building a solid and predictable revenue base. By developing tools like Claude Code that have clear economic value, it is demonstrating that its technology can generate real profits. Furthermore, its stated goal of reaching profitability by 2028 shows a commitment to financial discipline that is not always present in high-growth tech companies. This focus helps calm market fears about a bubble. In conclusion, Anthropic stands at a fascinating intersection of immense opportunity and significant risk. The company is navigating the hype and high costs of the AI industry by building a real business. Its strategy is based on a foundation of strong technology, a clear focus on paying customers, and a public commitment to safety and ethics. This balanced approach may be the key to not only justifying its massive valuation but also to building a lasting and influential company. The world will be watching to see if this combination of power, profit, and principle can lead the way in the dawning age of AI.